Welcome back to the channel. This is gonna be a quick video, kind of a quick review. Did not want this to be a review. I wanted to figure out a couple of things. Basically, where I left off with these rocker arms. These are the stainless steel Speedmaster rocker arms. Great product, great build quality. Actually, I'll put the part number down below and also look at the video on this. Now, the biggest thing that I wanted to do is that I wanted to find a way to use these smaller lock nuts versus the taller ones that are coming through. But the Speedmaster rocker arms have this little groove in it that goes into the actual body. Now, it does bring this nut down a little bit closer to the rocker arm body than some of the other manufacturers out there, which will, it's because there's like a flat plane here and the nut just sits on top of it, hence the way this is set up here. But in my quest to see if I can find another rocker arm that was suitable so I can use the smaller Crower lock nuts, I contacted Speedmaster again. They gave me a set of their Chromoly rocker arm saying this will work with this nut, but it turns out that this nut is the same in the body as far as the machine mark, so you can't use this nut. So basically this is gonna be like a review video. I don't see a lot of reviews on these rocker arms, which is their Chromoly versions or their stainless steel rocker arms, but these look just like the comp cams. I mean, they almost but when you go, see, this is the problem with places like Speedmaster or these mass-produced that they have, like these Chinese, knockoff stuff, is that the pictures that they show on the website for this part number, PCE261.1163, which is this, led the representative to believe that these nuts would work. Now, in the pictures on their website for this particular rocker arm, it does show a flat lock nut, not what the ridges on here. And some of the other details of those rocker arms that you see on their website is that it doesn't have the embossed name of 79, was it Speed 79 on here? So yeah, so this is kind of like the problem you run into, and this is why I'm kind of doing these review videos or these talking about these rocker arms, especially from Speedmaster. And it could be any of the other companies, is that they basing these parts off of, I guess, either other people's drawings, or they take these rocker arms from a different company and then make it their own. I don't know the whole process of that, but they're definitely knockoffs of other manufacturers on here. And I gotta say, man, the quality is pretty damn good. I mean, compared to like 12-15 years ago when these first started hitting the market, these have gotten substantially better. So this is gonna be like a review video for this style rocker arm. Some of you think I'm crazy, some of you think I don't know what the hell I'm talking about. I'm a little bit of both, but I'm kind of the guinea pig here, and I hope that some of these review videos get to people so we can talk about all this stuff. Now, both of these are 1.6 rocker arms. You can definitely feel the weight difference, not by much, but I'm not a scientist here. I'm not gonna do it all science, but when I hold the rocker arm like this and I let it drop and I pick up on it, you could feel the weight difference, or the, I can't explain it, but just the difference of this being hollowed out, that the mass or the weight is taken off of the tip of the rocker arm. So it should have, give you I don't know. I guess lighten up the spring load or something along those lines, compared to these, which are really good, but you can feel the weight difference on here. Now, quickly just weighing the two, if I'm making any sense here. It's late at night, I just got off of work. This is 7.37 ounces. This is the Chromoly one. And this is 7.44. So let's do it again. 7.37, 7.44. Not much of a difference, but enough where you can feel it over the nose of the Rock-A-Rom. And like the way it just feels lighter. Does that make any sense? But what I also noticed too is that these Rock-A-Roms came in like a generic packaging. Typical Chinesium generic packaging on here. No branding name, nothing. It has like a sticker on here. The Chromoly ones came in a nice packet with their own logo, everything nicely wrapped. With all, you know, I took them out already, but I didn't want to get them all dirty here. So you can see that they're making an effort for this, and this was only about what, $205 shipped, I think it was. So not that much money, to tell you the truth, compared to the other brand names that are out there. And again, the quality is just there. It's like, you know, that is really smooth, no grinding. The trunnion bearing in here is really absolutely smooth. No excessive play in the body, nothing. There's some lateral movement that's typical for, and it looks like they're rebuildable too. They have the snap rings on either side. I mean, the same thing with the stainless steel ones. They give you plenty of clearance in here, both of them, but this one too, for big valve springs. High lift, everything. So, yeah, I don't know. I will go more into depth of these. I'll put them on the engine. I'll give you a quick, I guess, video of these on the actual motor. And comparing the two, it's really, you know, nothing differences, but definitely a lighter feel on here. Chromoly, is it stronger? I don't know. Is it stronger than stainless steel? I don't know. I'm not a scientist here. But yeah, let me know what you think. Do you want more information on the Speedmaster parts? Do you want me to take one apart to show you the bearings inside or anything like that? Let me know. Comment down below, send me an email. Oh yeah, if you made to this end of the video here, if you have another Rock-A-Rom like this, that's a comp cam that you don't have a complete set of, or just want to send one or two to me, I would love to do a comparison between the comp cam, Crower, and some of the other manufacturers that look like this, to see the differences. You know, take them apart, look at them. If you have a stainless steel version of this, like from comp cam, that you don't have, you know, you want to give away or anything, email me down below. I would love to do a comparison. Okay, let me know. Like and subscribe. Yeah,